Okay, so I just want to do one last video just because I made a mistake. And what I mean by that is, yeah, these are correct. This is first name. So this person is this person, this person. What makes it look strange is the fact that there's just so much white space. So what I did was I kind of came in here a little bit and it only took a few seconds, right? And I started cleaning it up. So 50, I probably need to do 100 here. So if I save and go look and refresh, that probably cleans that up a little bit more. But the point is, I've got these names coming out of coming straight out of the AdventureWorks database. A lot of Washingtons, Richardsons. But anyway, so the point is we have a lot of data here that now we can go back into TDM and do something with. Um, Now, technically, we could have done this without, and we could technically done TDM without this data, but it's nice to have a view that you can go look at as a person. Funny, ha ha ha, because I said person. But it gives you a view that you can go look at the data that we can go and manipulate with. So with saying that, what I did before, what I want to do first is, and in case you all can't tell, I'm bouncing because this obviously isn't scripted. But again, to me, those are the best videos. So what I'm going to do is copy this to the board. And you'll notice this is huge, right? So that's one of the problems is you have all these relationships. But that's not what I want. I just want this. Up to here. And then if I go, what we need is a place to put this. So off the videos, what I did was I created a table called target. And that's where we're going to put our data. So notice I already created one for product. And if we look at it, it's empty. Okay, so we're going to create another table for people, or person, whatever it is. Oops, not that, I'm sorry. Let's do a script. Okay, new query. I'll make sure I'm in my target, which I am. Paste person. What they're going to notice about the other one is, well, I can go back and change the types, but see this? You can't do that because it's not related. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to copy this one, and we'll go back and change it afterwards. So name style can't be that. That's fine. First name cannot be that. Same with these. Actually, it has to be a data type. Okay. There, that's an email. Additional contact information. That's an XML. You know what? I don't even care for that. Demographics, don't care. The road ID may be fun. So we'll get rid of those. Modify date. Yeah, that's fine. As long as it's date and time. And then we'll close it. Okay. Oops, sorry. We'll close it. There we go. And that should work. I don't care about namespace here. So I'm looking because I want this, like I don't know what email is, so let's get rid of that. The GUID ID be kind of fun because we can generate that in TDM. Technically, we can generate all these in TDM, but we want to keep it simple. Okay, so let's execute it. And now we should have our table down here. Okay, we do. But what I want to do is I'm going to go modify some of those things. I don't like have limitations. Again, I don't know what that is, but we're going to make this a navcar max. And I'm just going to grab that and all these fields that are huge. Now that one's not, because remember we said it's just one character. But I'm going to leave it anyway. Suffix is 10. You know what? Why create data you don't need? Okay. All right, so now we're good. Let's make this our primary key. And now we're good. Okay, that should ask me to save. Well, I'll force you to save anyway. Okay, now we're good. So now we'll go back and we'll work inside TDM on the next videos.